Hey guys, here's how to use Delta Executor in Grow a Garden. First, install a Delta Executor on your device. After that, launch the Delta and sign into Roblox. Now search for Grow a Garden game and click on the play button. After joining the game, you'll see the Delta Executor dashboard ready for use. Click on the Receive Key button. Now you'll be redirected to a new page to generate the key. Complete all the tasks and click on the Unlock Content. Copy the key and return to the game. Inject the key in the Executor to gain full access. Now get the latest Delta script for Grow Garden from deltascriptgrowgarden.com. Paste the script code into the Executor script box. Click the Execute button to successfully run the script. Wait for a few seconds for features like Auto Farm, Pet Spawner, or Candy Blossom to activate.